Ayan, magandang gabi mga bay. Ito na nga po ang pinakaantay nating laban ngayong araw. Ang bakbakan sa pagitan ng Pinoy na si Kenneth Lubert versus sa fighter ng Panama na si Luis Concepcion. So walang nakataya sa bakbakan na ito mga bay. So purely lang ito na patigasan ng galing sa pagitan ng dalawang bansa, ang Pilipinas at ang Panama.
Headbutt, back of the head, anything below the belt. Okay, give me a clean fight.
So undefeated ang Pinoy rito mga bay. Si Kenneth Lubert na may kartadang 14 wins with 9 knockouts, at sa huling dalawang laban nga nito doon sa Japan ay tinapos lang niya ang kanyang mga katunggali sa first round. So ito yung pangalawang laban ni Kenneth Lubert ngayong taon. So unang lumaban ito noong March 24. Ayan, umpisa na ng laban mga bay. So aggressive agad itong si Kenneth Lubert dito sa pagbubukas ng kanilang laban. So parang may gustong patunayan dito ang Pinoy. So parang nasa mindset ng ating pambato mga bay na kailangan niyang maipakita agad ang kanyang lakas dito sa round 1. So parang gustong dagdagan pa ni Lubert ang kanyang mga first round knockout na nakuha simula noong nakaraang taon hanggang sa paghaharap nila dito sa fighter ng Panama. Pero hindi nga rin basta-basta itong kalaban ni Lubert mga bay, no? Itong si Luis Concepcion ay isang veteranong fighter. 51 times na itong lumaban sa ibabaw ng ring at may katada itong 40 wins with 29 knockouts at may 11 talo.
You're the visitor. You have to be aggressive here. That is just the nature of boxing. When you visit another country, you have to be the aggressor. Lubert was greeted by
sumugod yung Panama pero nahilamusan ng counter punch ni Lubert.
Lubert keeping both hands busy. They get entangled here. And the third man parks them.
Now remember that Concepcion is coming.
Nangangalahati na tayo sa yugtong ito mga bay.
In his last fight, he was stopped by David Contreras in Mexico. That was a TKO in the 8th round.
Ayan, bumitaw ng kombinasyon si Lubert.
But make no mistake about it, he's a dangerous opponent.
Ay, parang may sinasabi itong Panama fighter.
And also because of his fighting style, look at the way he swung.
Taking it really strong against Lubert. Pinning Lubert in the ropes.
Yeah, and making Lubert miss.
So nagpapakawala nga rin ng lambayog itong si Luis Concepcion dito sa Pinoy. Pero hindi biro din itong ating pambato na si Kenneth Lubert. Bumira sa bodega ng kalaban. So maganda yung mga pinapatamang anggulo ng suntok ng ating pambato mga bay. At maganda nga rin yung ipinapakita pag-iwas ni Kenneth Lubert. Huling 30 segundos sa laban. Tumama ng uppercut doon si Lubert. Sinundan pa noong kaliwat kanang kombinasyon. So namumula ng mukha nitong kalaban na si Luis Concepcion mga bay.
And look at the way he's moving around. It's something that Concepcion does not want Lubert to do. He doesn't want Lubert to move around.
May kaliitan niya rin itong kalaban ng Pinoy rito. Nagpakawala ng mga lambayog itong si Luis Concepcion, pero hindi niya magawang matamaan ang ating pambato. End of round 1. Umpisa na tayo sa pangalawang yugto ng kanilang bakbakan.
Same thing happened to us with Jerry in 1997.
Nakatama na naman ang kanang suntok ni Lubert. Sunod-sunod ang mga kaliwang suntok na pinakawalan ni Kenneth Lubert mga bay.
Nearly collided there.
And you saw the experience of Concepcion. He locked the arms of Lubert.
You're right.
Preventing him from throwing any punches.
Tumama ang left straight ni Lubert. So maganda yung mga kombinasyong ipinapakita ni Lubert dito mga bay, no?
And a grimace coming from Lubert. Both fighters acknowledge the mistake. We fight on.
Tumama ulit ang kalawang suntok ni Lubert.
And that southpaw stance
So kita na natin dito mga bayno yung pagka-veterano nitong si Luis Concepcion. So sa tuwing makabitaw ng suntok itong si Kenneth Lover ay niyayakap agad ito ni Luis Concepcion para pigilan ang ating kababayan na makapagpakawala pa ng mas maraming kombinasyon sa kalaban.
And he simply answered, "That's my name."
Watch the left hand of Llover. He leads off with that right jab, but that devastating left hand could be his killer punch.
Tumama ulit ng uppercut si Llover.
He's tireless. He's tireless. He has the energy.
So namumula na itong mga pisngi nitong si Kenneth ni Luis Concepcion mga bay. So gawa ito ng mga suntok na ipapatama ni Kenneth Lover.
Stand and throw here. We are down to 1:11 here in the second round.
I thought that in the first round, Lover was testing the strength and power of Concepcion.
Yes.
I think now he realizes he can take those punches. He can take the power of Concepcion. So he's not moving around so much anymore.
That is so critical for a fighter, to be able to absorb the punches as much as he is able to deliver leather as well.
And what about that left hand, the left lead out of a southpaw stance and then moving away? It's so reminiscent of Manny Pacquiao.
So yung mga ginagawang pag-iwas nito ni Kenneth Lover habang bumibitaw ng suntok ay parang galawan nga rin ni Manny Pacquiao mga bay, no?
Concepcion at bay.
So ito, nagpapakita ng pagka-aggressive itong si Luis Concepcion sa pagsugod sa Pinoy.
Tied up in our ropes. Our referee separates them.
Tumama ang kanang suntok. Bagsak si Luis Concepcion mga bay. Na-outbalance si Luis Concepcion at bahagyang napagapang na ito sa lona mga bay. So ilang segundo na lang natitira dito sa round 2. At dito na nga si Lover. Sumugod agad. At na-save by the bell si Luis Concepcion. Ayan mga bay, tignan natin yung replay ng laban. So tumama ang kanang suntok ni Lover at nasundan ng left hook. At dito nga bagsak si Luis Concepcion kanan at napalo up ng left punch. Ayan na, nahilok si Luis Concepcion mga bay. Ayan, round 3 na tayo mga bay. So si Kenneth Lover nga rito ay nakakaamoy na dito sa kalaban na mulang Panama. At yun nga, 1-2 combination sa mukha ng kalaban. At nahilo nga rito si Luis Concepcion. Ayan na, pinaulan na ni Lover ng kaliwat kanang suntok at bumagsak ulit si Luis Concepcion mga bay. Grabe, ang tindi nito si Kenneth Lover mga bay. Talagang future prospect. Napapatuloy pa ang laban at may 2 minuto pang natitira dito sa round 3. So matindi itong kaliwang suntok ni Kenneth Lover. Sunod-sunod ang mga uppercut na pinakawala ni Kenneth Lover mga bay. Ayan, nahihilo na itong si Luis Concepcion at napapayakap na sa Pinoy. So survival instinct na lang itong natitira dito kay Luis Concepcion. Habang si Kenneth Lover naman, ang Pinoy, ay nag-aantay na lang ng tamang tiyempo para mapakawalan ng mga pulidong suntok at papagsakin ng tuluyan itong pambato ng Panama. Sunod-sunod ang uppercut.
Don't turn around, says the referee. Don't do that.
Concepcion, he's throwing punches. There's no power.
Grabe yung mga binibitawan ni Kenneth Lover. Bodega sa ulo.
It's becoming not puffy yet, but really red right now.
Ayan mga bay.
More punches being unloaded here by Llover.
Some welts developing under the eyes of Concepcion.
Bang! Sunod-sunod ang mga left uppercut ni Kenneth Lover.
But he's gonna get warned for holding and punching.
May 1 minuto pang natitirang oras ito sa round 3 at parang wala ng lakas ang suntok nitong si Luis Concepcion mga bay.
He's ready to mix it up. He's been down twice.
He came here to brawl, Kinito.
Well, without a doubt, this guy's showing a lot of heart. Luis Concepcion of Panama.
Age is not on his side.
Muling natamaan doon si Luis Concepcion. Pero ang tibay nitong si Luis Concepcion. Hindi pa nga rin bumabagsak. Sa kabila ng mga patamang pulido na pinakuwala ni Kenneth Louvier.
43 seconds remaining.
And sometimes Concepcion doesn't know where his opponent is.
Yes, and when he turns his back, he's looking for his opponent. That's
Parang
absolutely correct.
may sinasabi pa itong si Concepcion.
Oh, beautiful right hand again coming from Louvier. But Concepcion,
He's right there.
Yan, nakikipagtawaran pa itong si Luis Concepcion, kay Kenneth Louvier na huwag mo nang tapusin ang laban. Paabutin mo muna ng round 4.
round number 3, Concepcion, what a warrior. This guy's a proud veteran, a 2-time world champion.
Oh,
Bang.
he throws a good hook that time.
Huling 10 segundo dito sa round 3. At parang
Concepcion looks like he'll survive
aabot pa ng round 4 si Luis Concepcion.
You know, age is just a number.
Yan, dito na tayo sa pang-apat na yugto ng bakbakan. Kenneth Louvier versus Luis Concepcion. So,
So here
mga
we
ilang
are.
beses na rin na bumagsak itong si Luis Concepcion. At ito nga po sa pang-apat na yugto ng laban ay
Yes, he's a
walang takot pa rin itong sumugod dito sa Pinoy.
They get entangled. No knockdown in that particular exchange. Louvier, however,
Ayan, parang wala nang lukas na itong si Luis Concepcion mga bay. At hinahunting na nga siya ni Kenneth Louvier. Pinaula na ng kaliwat kanang kombinasyon. At ito nga po, napasandal na sa lubid ang kalaban.
Louvier pushes him back. He fights back with an uppercut.
Ayan, bumabato pa rin ang suntok
What a warrior.
si Luis Concepcion mga bay.
And Louvier now is going to the body.
So sa katawan na bumibira si Kenneth Louvier. So talagang balak na niyang tanggalan ng hininga itong si Luis Concepcion para tuluyan ang bumagsak sa luna.
So he's not only showing good offense but also airtight defense. The tight guard.
And some basic tactics as well. No?
Yeah. He has shown in the previous rounds.
So kiniklip na ni Luis Concepcion itong braso ni Kenneth Louvier mga bay para pigilan sa pagsuntok ang Pinoy.
The lover boy.
Oh, the tag!
And he tripped him with a left hook.
Ay, sunod-sunod ang mga body shot ni Kenneth Louvier. At parang wala nang lakas, wala nang depensa itong si Luis Concepcion mga bay. Sunod-sunod na ang mga pulidong patama ni Kenneth Louvier ito sa mukha ni Luis Concepcion.
He's ready to go.
Ayan na, namamaga na yung mukha ni Luis Concepcion.
Again, he's throwing punches because that's his only defense.
So talagang wala nang
His offense
magawang
is his defense.
depensa itong si Luis Concepcion ay baka itigil na ito ng
He's
referee.
gonna tie these punches.
Down to 1-10 here in number 4.
You know, one thing about Concepcion, he's not a dirty fighter.
Oh,
He's not resorting to
that's
butting.
a very good point.
Yeah,
huh?
he's not resorting to elbowing. He's in there to just fight and fight clean. Fight with heart.
Normally, some fighters, when they're desperate, would do some very desperate things. You're so right about this. Concepcion just taking it strong against a very powerful opponent here atop this ring.
I'm just surprised that he's still standing up. Here in round number 4.
Snappy left hand by Louvier. Stunning.
Namumula na
without
itong
feeling
mga
it.
tenga ni Luis Concepcion mga bay gawa ng suntok ni Louvier.
Nice combination.
But he
As
has
Louver's
no-
back was
Pero
against-
sumusuntok at lumalaban pa rin itong Panama fighter.
Just hanging on here.
Concepcion is still coming forward. He's not
Matibay
taking
rin
a
itong
step
kalaban
back.
mga bay.
It's just an amazing display of heart.
Huling 10 segundo.
Louvier digging shots to the body now.
Yan, end of round 4.
And Concepcion and Louvier.
Out in both those fights.
Nasa panglimang yugto na tayo ng bakbakan ni Kenneth Louvier versus Luis Concepcion.
And then another in Tokyo.
At bilib na tayo sa tibay nitong kalaban mga bay no.
Defense of his OPBF championship.
So sa nakarang round ay halos mawala na ng lakas itong si Luis Concepcion pero hindi pa rin ito bumabagsak sa kabila ng mga matitinding power punch na naipapatama ni Kenneth Louvier.
When the action is hot and furious, Louvier is in a good place actually.
Concepcion
Oh, fighting strong.
smiling at Louvier.
Yeah, as if
after-
telling him, I can take that.
Yeah, and he connected with a nice right hand
You gotta knock
That
me
caught-
down again.
that caught Louvier by surprise.
Now you're right about Louvier. He
So
should
nanatiling
not
pulido
take this
ang
lightly.
postura nitong
This
si
is
Luis
a former
Concepcion
world
at
champion,
patuloy
two-time,
na
as you mentioned.
binibigyan ng gandang laban ang
He's gone
ating
down
pambato.
twice in this fight, but as we said, this guy's resilient.
So pinagtibay talaga ng panahon ang tibay nitong
Louvier
si
looks
Luis
unscathed,
Concepcion.
although some punches have hit him.
Ayan.
Uh-oh, Concepcion stooping down low. And Louvier beginning to pressure the neck area of Concepcion. The usual tactic. And they get entangled, they wrestle, grapple with each other.
That's a very rare tactic that we've seen when you're ducking below the belt line of your opponent. That's actually not legit what he's doing.
Who? Concepcion?
Yes, I don't think you can do that.
Nakatama rin ang suntok si Concepcion.
Underneath the
Tumatagos
belt line
yung
of
mga
your
jabs
opponent.
ni Concepcion mga bay sa depensa ni Kenneth Louver.
Snappy uppercuts being exchanged right now as the fighters clinch with 1 minute and 6 remaining at the halfway mark.
Bang! Tumama yung kaliwang suntok ni Louver.
Connected with the
Sinundan ang
Combination
uppercut.
by Louver. Another one!
And this time he's using his left hand. Concepcion
Sunod-sunod na ang
almost
mga
out of it.
katama ni Kenneth Louver.
Concepcion just hanging on.
I can't believe the heart of this guy. He took 2 big hard shots with the left hand from Louver. He's still standing up. Not only that, he's still exchanging. Hard to believe. Such a fighter like
Grabe, ang tibay talaga
Concepcion,
nitong kalaban.
39 years old, a veteran of 51 fights.
And maybe that's what's keeping him on his feet, Kenito. Those veteran smarts.
Oh, without a doubt. And here's Louver. He's
Trying
gotta
those short
Yeah.
stabs.
Louver is connecting, but he's got to put more body weight behind his
Yes.
punches.
They're not coming from the shoulder area, actually. Coming from the waist down. Or the waist up, for that matter.
Yan, end of round 5.
Drops its curtains.
Promoting this with Jerry Peñalosa.
Round
The
6
reason
na
why
sa
we are going
bakbakan.
live
Kenneth
on
Louver
Travel
versus
TV
Luis
in
Concepcion.
Japan with this coverage.
At hanggang sa mga puntong ito
Oh,
mga bay,
Concepcion
nagpapakita
with a
pa
big
rin
shot.
ng katibayan itong si Luis Concepcion at
He's
ito nga
right
ngayon
there, Kenito.
ang
Yeah, this is
unang
round number 6,
bumira
halfway
ng suntok
through this fight.
dito
Here's
sa bakbakan.
Concepcion. He's still plugging away.
He's clearly behind, but he's right there.
Yeah, he's not giving up easily.
Mga bay, hindi nga basta-basta
Sorry,
sumusuko
two
itong si
knockdowns
Luis
back,
Concepcion.
In the second as well as the third.
As we said, this is an acid test for Kenneth Louver. Jerry Peñalosa said, is he for real? We'll find out. We want to test him against an opponent who is a veteran, who's experienced.
And that's the reason for this fight. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Now, Concepcion moving around the ring.
Throwing
Bang!
heavy
Grabe
leather as
yung
well, huh?
left hook ni Concepcion ni Louver doon mga bay. Pero hindi pa rin walang- walang pinsalang nangyari dito kay Luis Concepcion.
In the right place.
Ang tibay ng panga nitong kalaban.
Oh, good
Yun,
right
nakatama
hand
pa
from
doon si Concepcion. At dito nga natin nakikita mga bay, no? Talagang masusubukan dito ang hangin ni Louver sa
Finds
laban.
the mark.
I don't know if I spoke too soon.
Not a lit, not much. Not really.
Here's that uppercut coming from Concepcion. He's throwing a lot more leather now
Yes.
than Louver. Right
And
hand coming from Concepcion.
the head of Louver
He's
snaps
coming
back.
Grabe itong
Left hand
kalaban.
coming from Louver. No sting behind that punch.
And Louver must be
Tank
wondering
build
why
rin
is this
itong
guy
si
still
Luis
standing up.
Concepcion.
Concepcion took that punch flush on the jaw. Didn't
Yan o,
flinch.
kahit natatamaan siya ng suntok ni Louver, bumabato pa rin eh. Sumusuntok eh.
And remember, the last 2 fights of Louver went only 1 round, so he might be gassing out here.
Oo, sumigaw yung corner ni Kenneth Louver. Matibay raw yung mukha. So, tirahin daw sa bodega itong si Luis Concepcion.
Louver is yelling for him to go to the body now.
Hindi ata narinig ni Louver yung kanyang corner. Hindi niya binabanatan yung bodega ng kalaban.
Concepcion has managed to slice down the length of the fight.
Yan,
Stay
bodega.
within shooting range. He's been throwing punches. Big
Oh,
left hand,
grabe yun.
right hand on
Buhay pa
target
rin yung
by
kalaban, mga
Louver,
bay.
but not enough power, as you mentioned.
He's in front of Louver,
Grabe.
and he's trading punches.
Kahit parang bara-bara na itong galawan ni Concepcion, pero bumabato pa rin ng suntok.
Both fighters enjoying the... And they'll think about it.
Nasa pampitong yugto na tayo ng bakbakan. Tignan natin mga bay kung anong pwedeng gawin rito ni Kenneth Louver.
Oh, without it, yes, surely. Because
So,
he's still knocked out.
aasahan natin sa round na ito na sa bodega na babanat ang Pinoy.
Has survived
Dahil
every
kita naman natin
assault
doon sa mga naunang
launched by
round na
Kenneth Louver.
kung gaano katibay itong
Since
mukha
that
ni
time,
Luis
it's not
Concepcion.
really buckled. It's not really wobbled. It's regained his
Yan,
balance.
bumira na sa bodega si Louver.
It's a matter of stamina. The way it looks.
So, parang nanghihina na nga rin dito ang Pinoy mga bay. So, parang nauubusan na nga rin ng hangin. So yung sigla na ipinapakita ni Kenneth Louver ngayon ay hindi kasing sigla nung mga naunang rounds.
No sting.
So dito mas susubukan mga bay kung handa na nga talaga si Louver na maging
But you know,
kampiyon
as you mentioned, this is an acid test. There will be fights
sa
like
mga
this
mataas na
in the course of a
antas
boxer's
na
career. There's a big left hand. Another one.
belt mga bay.
Another one. And another one.
Ay grabe ito.
He's just moving around.
Sumusunod-sunod na yung mga kombinasyon ni Louver.
Fight smart. He shouldn't stay in front of Concepcion. And the way he fought him earlier, he just turns around, makes himself not an available target. He's making Concepcion now work hard for his punches.
Dapat bumabato na si Louver sa katawan.
Louver. And not just allow himself to get hit.
Sa bodega.
Big right hand by Concepcion.
Yan.
You know, Concepcion is
Yeah,
not a bad
body.
inside fighter. Huh?
No, that's his style. He likes
When
to
he's
go
katawan.
inside, he throws a lot of leather, mixes it up.
Well, he has a shorter reach. He's a shorter fighter. So
Pinabing tipay
his
nitong
style is
Concepcion
fit
mga bay.
to go inside. That's his gambit.
And his midsection seems to be solid so far.
He's gone down twice, but he's been able to survive, as we said. He's a brave warrior. Went down twice in 2 previous fights, got up to win.
You know, Louver could also be affected by the punches of Concepcion, and some of that power has ebbed because of that.
Concepcion has been able to throw
Katawan.
some
Big
nice
shots as well.
Tagiliran.
50 punches. But it's more, I think it's more his stamina. He needs to be able to show a little more
Yes.
energy.
Oy!
That's a
Nahilamusan ang
cracking
suntok
left
si Concepcion doon pero
And it
tumatayo
goes
pa rin at
downstairs.
bumabato ng suntok mga bay.
Concepcion is still standing on his
Oh.
feet.
Grabe tibay nitong si Luis Concepcion.
built strong casino and resort
Round number
here
8.
in Manila, in Quezon City, or in Manila, sorry, the Philippines. Seth Sarmenta, Kinito Enson.
So di ko inaasahan mga bay na aabot pa ng round 8 itong laban ni Kenneth Louver versus Luis Concepcion.
Here comes the
So sa hindi pa nagumpisa ng kanilang laban, tansya ko talaga ay hanggang matagal na ang round 4 sa kanilang laban pero nagkamali tayo mga bay.
Should
At
Louver
ito pa
do
nga,
anything special
dahil
for
sa
it?
tibay
Because
nitong si
it's
Luis
important
Concepcion ay
fight
umabot
for
pa
fight, because he
o
has to do
nagtagal pa
something
sa round 8 ng
Kinito
kanilang
out of the
bakbakan.
ordinary.
I think it's important for him to stay aggressive. Now, if he's got enough gas in his tank, he should continue to put pressure and throw those punches at Concepcion. Concepcion is not going to go away
So
easily.
parang
as
ang
we
nangyayari
said.
rito mga bay, no,
He's
ina-absorb
trying to
lang
fight back
nitong
as best as he can.
si Concepcion ang mga
But he's a
suntok ni Louver.
come-forward type of fighter.
So sa tuwing natatamaan ng mga kombinasyon itong kalaban ay parang nagiging bara-bara na lang yung mga galawan niya o nawawala na ng nawawala na ng balanse. Pero sa pagbabalik naman ng round,
We are
pagkatapos
in
makapahinga ay ito nga ngayon.
And Louver knows
Parang
that
balik sa umpisa yung
Concepcion is
lakas
coming in. And when he
na
does
ipinapakita
come in,
nitong si
Louver has
Concepcion.
to be
Ito
prepared
pa nga yung
to
nagiging
throw his punches
agresibo
before
sa pagsugod kay
Concepcion
Louver.
unloads. And that's an important tactic for Louver.
and before his gates are
So
open
talagang
by
nasusubukan
Concepcion's
ang tibay ni
persistent
dito ni
presence.
Kenneth Louver.
Uppercut,
Kung
that has
talaga
worked
nga
for
bang handa
Concepcion.
na ang Pinoy para maging isang world champion sa mga susunod na mga laban nito.
A minute and 15 remaining. Very rapid, snappy left hand being used by Lovera.
So, kung pagbasihan nga rin natin ang mukha nitong si Luis Concepcion na palaging natatamaan ang suntok ni Kenneth Lovera, ay wala pa tayong nakikitang mga pagdurugo sa ilong o mga napunit na kilay dahil gawa ng mga suntok ng Pinoy.
Corner of Lovera asking him to bore in.
Agay! Natamaan ng uppercut doon si Concepcion.
Sensing something special.
Kaya na mga bay.
Concepcion is staggering
Kaya na mga bay.
around the ring.
Naaamoy na ni
Taking
Lovera
out
ang
the
panalo.
punishment now.
Trying to use the ropes.
Ayan na.
as
Wala nang
protection.
ano. Titigil
Referee's
ito ng
almost
referee.
close to stopping this
Ay,
fight.
bagsak
And
mga
they
bay.
stopped it. They stopped the fight.
Sinigil na ang laban mga bay. At
And Luis
panalo si
Concepcion
Kenneth Lovera dito sa laban. Isang
has
technical
been stopped here in the 8th round.
dito sa round 8.
What a rousing
Umakyat na ang
victory here for
traktada ni
Kenneth
Kenneth
Lovera.
Lovera mga bay sa 15 wins with
But what
10
a
knockouts.
brave
Panalo ang
fighter.
22 anyos na Pinoy na may
Luis
alias na
Concepcion.
Lover Boy.